We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to clean your scanner glass on your Brother MFC L-3750CDW printer. So first thing you want to do is lift up your hatch to expose the glass. And then you want to take your favorite glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. You want to put the glass cleaner directly on the cloth. You never want to put it directly on the glass. So just put a little bit and then go ahead and clean your scanner glass. There might be marks on here such as pen, whiteout. If there is, go ahead and clean it more than once if the first cleaning did not get it off. If you're seeing more defects when you're using the feeder, the top part, you want to focus more on this little piece of glass. But if you're seeing more defects when you're using the flatbed or the bigger piece of glass, then of course focus on that one. That's it, guys. You have successfully cleaned your scanner glass. If the defects still persist, it's probably time to put your printer in for a service. Thank you for watching our video and have a wonderful day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.